DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector. Code. What's good, YouTube gang? You don't know what time it is. Yeah, man, the Dutton is back in the lab. Yeah, man, I see what we are doing today. Yeah, man, we're there with the young boss. Been a minute. You don't know a dog, the day no dog, if the dog there hide or what. But it's been a minute. You see me, I say, been a few months. I mean, earlier in the year, it was showing signs like he was coming back full effect and active. But then he disappeared again. I don't know. I'll probably go back to the drawing board. Probably renovate some things, change up his style and things. So we don't know. Probably have something planned. But Intence, you see me, I say the young boss, young badness is back again with the one named Ambani. I check it out and see what dog I deal with. You don't know Intence, the young boss in the dog. At one point, Intence, you have dancehall and a chokehold, you know. Yeah, man, at one time, Intence was the talk of the town. You see me, I say, but right now, Intence, I don't know a dog the pan really, but everybody waiting on Intence. You see me, if you come back with the same aggression and activeness that he had in the early, like, 2016, 17, 18, you know what I'm saying? There was era, but yeah, man. But there again, Intence, there again with the one named Ambani. I check it out and see where dog I deal with again. We don't even go all up the vibe much longer. Let's get it.
An elderly Knoxville woman has fallen victim to one of the most expensive fraud cases that we've ever reported on.
Hoping to collect her pot of gold, she has lost.
Chop your old lady, dog. What? On your side, woman loses $190K to lotteries. God.
$190,000 to a scammer.
Damn. Don't solitary harder. Dog, what can you do? Is that clearance part you do, brother? How you do? Dog, you waste Suavitel, brother. How you fit do that, man? You waste the pine salt, brother. Bro, how you fit do that?
Don't tell me that someone to play. Milk and blue anytime I beard.
Milk and blue anytime in beard.
You cash going. The moon that kill a moon to bomb. Moon to bill a moon to lad. Yes, see the ring, yes, see the watch. No see a money for me.
Yeah.
Time and post, I flip cash pan gram.
Yeah.
Checking a states that let you in a bank.
I post, I flip cash pan gram. Bomba. This is somebody quote that pan IG, you know. But they think it's an original saying, but I intend if I see them a quote. When them a man, them a cheap up, you know. Them are not props, you know. Cheap up, you know. Them are not props. Come here.
The moon that kill a moon to bomb. Moon to bill a moon to lad. Yes, see the ring, yes, see the watch. No see a money for me. Time and post, I flip cash pan gram. Checking a states that
post, we flip cash pan gram, brother. Come
left in a bank. At 15, I'm going on 15, I full the tank.
Yeah.
The things my way, I'm gonna have a business if I run. Lift a rifle with a pan.
God, 15. In a pan and a 15 for the tank. If everything no go, hey, come in. You come in.
They have a business if I run. Lift a rifle with a pan. Them not chop on them the scam. Them not chop on them the chop.
Yeah.
You know about Albany. Send go to my girl body out the black Barbie. Clip your ticket 12 pack and in and them call me. Run out I do ain't know the track and feel. Sell coke and
run out I do ain't know the track and feel it. Hey! 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 Come in! Come in now, man. Come in now, Intence.
Them not chop on them the scam. Them not chop on them the chop. You know about Albany. Send go to my girl body out the black Barbie. Clip your ticket 12 pack and in and them call me.
I said ticket 12 pack and in and them cut weird.
Barbie, the clip your ticket 12 pack and in and them call me. You know what I do ain't know the track and feel. Sell coke on the shore, make it up and see. Broke out pan lead, no see what jag one beast. Just code me luck bunnies from a young Margie. Them a keep in a song and them for top and do it.
Keep in a song and them for top and do it. Talk truth now, man. Talk truth now, man. That cap, man. No, I'm telling some boy, some of the artists are cap, you know.
Big food me a talk about drugs, money like narcos. So if you tell me for calm down, I beg like on the tire. Some of them in a hog, you sell pot and a sawdust. Bang.
Yeah, talk about big food like narcos. Cut me glock on me tacos. Taros. What? Hey!
On the line, the food I wear well spargo. Can't count out a chopper dog. Plus me a top of dog. Yeah, bring the pussy to me, knock it like me knock a back. Gun this up, same some.
Can't count out a chopper dog. Plus me a knocker dog. Hey! Hey, hear me say, listen tune, man.
Plus me a top of that. Y'all bring the pussy for me, knock it like me knock a back. Gun this up, same so me knock a go and bowl like a cage to fling chaka back.
Gun this up, same so I knock a go on. Come in.
Wanna know about Ambani? Send go to my girl body that the black body. The clip your ticket well packing in and I'm coming. Run out, I do ain't know the track and feel. Sell coke on the shore, make it up and see. Broke out pan leads, no suja go and beast. Cash code me lock bunnies from me young Margie. Them a keep in a
Cash code will. Hey, come in, no.
Kill amount of bomb, amount of bill, amount of lad. Yes, see the ring, yes, see the watch, no see a money pa me hand.
See the ring, you see the watch, you see a money pa me hand. Hey, come in.
Turn and post, I flip cash bang.
Hey, we get you out on the up on the thing. You see me I say, you see me from your young, you see me I coming up focus on the thing. You see me I say focus on your goals. Everything I go come later on in a life. You see me? Yeah man, no jokes. You see me? Whatever you're trying to do, becoming a life or accomplish, you could have trying to be, you could have be a doctor, lawyer. You see me, pilot, you see me, engineer, you could have want to be an artist, YouTuber, actor, whatever it is. Focus on your goal, put in effort every day towards it, and you will achieve it. Trust me. You see me, and everything will come afterwards. You see me, the girl and the money and the riches will come afterwards.
Checking ice tears that legend a bank. At 15, I'm going at 15, I full the tank. The things my way, I'm never business if I'm wrong. Lift a rifle with a pan, then I chop on them the scam. Then I chop on them a cap.
Hey, rifle with a pan. Hey, come in, them a chop and them a cap.
I'm never business if I'm wrong. Lift a rifle with a pan, then I chop on them the scam. Then I chop on them a cap. Daddy, tree shine, you know about Ambani. Send go to my girl body that the black body. The clip your ticket well packing in and I'm coming.
Playlist tune, come on.
Run out, I do ain't know the track and feel. Sell coke on the shore, make it up and see. Broke out pan leads, no suja go and beast. Cash code me lock bunnies from me young Margie. Them a keep in a song and them for top and do it. Don't time it or it another years. Smoke and drink cause I'm start my day.
Don't call it another years. Smoke and drink cause I'm start my day. Come on. Hey!
The life you're living, I'm not gonna change. Don't tell me that someone to play. You smell gum blue anytime I beer. I'm a high lady, tell me some can't go care.
So me tell life you're living, I'm not gonna change. Don't tell me that if someone to play. You see me? So you milk can't see now me. Hey, come in. Intence. Right.
Yo, Kuya watching our creative click shoot the one and hear that.
Click.
Believe no man.
Yeah man, believe in yourself. You see me I say? Yeah man, I believe in everything but on yourself. How you do that? And you supposed to be the realest thing in a year life. You see me? You know you real, you know. You don't know about everybody else. You see me? So if you believe in everything but yourself, come on man, believe in yourself man, you can do it. Anything you want in life you can achieve. You see me? I say just go out there and get it. Don't make nobody tell you anything. You see me? Might have some obstacles in your way right now, might disguise themselves as problems or bills or family or relationship, whatever it is. But you see me, you can work past them and you can get over it. You see me I say just stay on the course. You see me I say gang, yeah man, that one name self-belief. You see me I say I never giving up. You see me? Faith and strong mind, time and God. Oh you mean? Yeah man, they can't stop you. You see me? Yeah man. So man gang, but we're at the end of the video. If you like the video, definitely hit the like and subscribe button. If you like it, you show the artists some love and support. Man, you know say yo, I the dancing. You see me I say gang? I appreciate y'all for the love and support y'all been giving your boy. Y'all be active in the comment section, active with the likes, active with the subs. So I appreciate y'all, man. We're growing on the way to 10K. You know what I'm saying? We are 700 away from 7K. 700 subs from 7K and 3,000 away from 10. You see me? I said we got 4 months left in the year, gang. You see me? 4 months left in the year. I'm trying to get at least 1,000 subs a month. Help your boy, help a brother out, man. Let me get the HBO special. I help a brother out special, man. Let me get to 10K by January. That's my birthday. If y'all can do that for your boy, I really appreciate y'all. And hopefully next year we can knock out another 10K and get with the 20. You see me, gang? Trust me, I'm back fully active. You see me? I'm gonna be like a workaholic for real now. You see me? I say, no one used to say, yo, John I be dropping videos back to back. Jambisco be dropping videos back to back and shit. But now you're not gonna really see me active for real. You see me? Plus with the streams. So look out for a stream also later on, gang. But yeah, man, gang. Big up on the damn self. I appreciate the love and support. Till next time, your boy Jambisco. Yeah, man. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.